to attract each and every object. So but whenever you throw a ball, throw a pencil, whatever you want, it will come back and fall on the earth. Why? Because earth have a power to attract that object. So as we know that moon is revolving around the earth. So if earth have a power to attract every object, then why not earth attract the moon? It should attract, right? But we haven't seen that moon has fallen on the earth. We never seen that. Why? Let's explore with an experiment first. Okay, what we will do? We will take a stone and tie it with a thread and start revolving around. Okay, what happened? It will start to move in a circular direction. The stone is tied with a thread, and we are moving it in a circular direction, and the stone is revolving around. As stone is moving around, it means it has some speed, some motion. Okay, and the stone is revolving in circular direction. What does it mean? It means it changes its direction in each and every point, right? So if changing in direction is involved, it means there is some acceleration, and if acceleration exists, it means there is some force. What kind of force? That is centripetal force, that is acting towards the center. This centripetal force is made the stone to move in a circular direction. Now what we will do, we will release that stone. Okay. Oh, okay. The force is acting toward the center. So if we are releasing that stone, what should happen? The stone should come and stick to my finger, stick to our finger. But does it happen? No. What happened? What will happen? That the stone will, whenever we release that stone, the stone will move in along a straight line, along a straight direction. Okay, that line, that is tangent to that invisible circle. Okay, what does it mean? It means there is some other force is also acting. Okay, and that is centrifugal force. It means that the stone was exerting two kind of force. One centripetal force that is toward the center, and one centrifugal force that is opposite to the center. The centripetal force and centrifugal force both are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Now we will understand that why moon doesn't fall on the earth. Okay, the same thing, moon has also exerted two kind of force, centripetal force and centrifugal force, both are in opposite direction, and this made the moon to revolving around the earth. Okay, now one more thing we concluded from there, that all the objects in the universe attract each other. This force of attraction between two objects is called gravitational force. All the objects in the universe attract each other. Okay, everything attract each other, and the force between two objects is called gravitational force. The force, how will we calculate that magnitude of the force? The force gravitational, G is the force of gravity, gravitational force. Okay, the gravitational force is equal to mass of product of the masses of two objects divided by the square of the distance between two objects. Okay, like this. Okay, now we understand that each and every object attract each other. So we are very much familiar with that story, Newton's story, right? Apple fall on the Newton's head. From there the concept of gravity come. Okay, so one thing, the question arises, one question in mind, that if each and every object attract each other, then Apple should also attract Earth. Right? The answer is yes. Apple has also attracts the Earth, but what we have not seen, that Earth is moving. Actually, the mass of Apple is very, very, very much lesser than the Earth. Okay, and this is the reason why the Earth doesn't move towards the Earth. Only Apple fall down on the Earth. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.